Now we will continue from the boolean buttons. We will discuss first the snap button. If you right click on the snap and go to setting, you can see snap X spacing and snap Y spacing. Similarly, you can see grid X spacing and grid Y spacing. Both these buttons, snap and grid, can be used in assistance to one another. You can move your cursor along x-axis and along y-axis as per your specified spacing on the grid. So you can turn them on and off by just click on this button, the grid button. When you click on the grid button, it will show you a grid like this. By this graphical view of dots, this shows the drawing area which help you to make drawings accurately and conveniently. You can set how much the distance between each dot in x spacing and y spacing must be, and can change by going into the setting of this button. You have to right click, go to setting, and you can change here the spacing between each dot along x axis and along y axis. The next is the ortho. The ortho boolean button can be used to restrict the movement of your cursor either along x axis and y axis only. When you turn the ortho on and wanna draw a line, click the line. You can see you can draw a line only in x horizontal or y vertical direction. You cannot draw the lines in any angular or any diagonal direction. You can delete this line by selecting and press delete, select and press delete, select, delete, select and delete. Now the next is the polar. By turning this button on, it will indicates the angle while you are making the lines. So you can easily draw accurate angle between two lines or make lines at a particular angle with respect to other lines. Right click, go to setting. You can set the increment of the angle between the lines. You can track them orthogonally and track them using polar settings. You can draw the absolute angles or relative to the last segments. All these features will be discussed in detail as we practice to make the drawing, and inshallah ta'ala you will be able to use them. The next is the O track. This will help you to locate the end points of your line. If you choose a line, draw a straight line, press enter. If you turn the O track on, you can locate the endpoints as shown on the screen, and you can find the midpoint of your line. Or if you want to join a line at the endpoints, you can do it by turning the O track on. If you want to join this line at exactly joining the line, you can do it by using the O track. So O track helps you to end the corners, to find the midpoints, or to draw the lines that exactly join the other line. can press, if you wanna exit a command, you have to press the escape key and you can exit the command. So select all this drawing and press delete to clear the screen. Similarly, the LWT is used to turn the weight of the lines on the drawing area, and the model is used to switch from the black screen to the white screen. If you click on the model, you will switch to this screen, and if you want to go back, you have to press the Control Z and you will go to the model mode. So this is the first introductory lecture of the AutoCAD. What you have to do, you have to go through the lab task 1 in your lab manual, and also listen the recorded lecture, and you have to perform the post lab and the in lab task at your home. So we will discuss in the interactive session about your queries and questions, and inshallah ta'ala you will be able to use the AutoCAD accurately, and inshallah ta'ala you will be able to draw the mechanical drawings using the AutoCAD. Thank you very much.